Can you change the location in your Roblox account? Now, if I go to my Roblox account here, I'm gonna go to settings and I go to account info. If I go to my account info and wait for it to load, you can see if I scroll down, there's my account location right there in Indonesia, but you can see there's no button to actually change this. That's because Roblox actually automatically assigned you your account location. They assign it automatically through your IP. Now, this does mean that you can get around it by using a VPN, but that usually doesn't work because the IP or the way the account location is actually submitted is that when you usually make the first account, like when you first make your account, it'll automatically assign you your account location. So unless you're making your account with a VPN from here on out, then you can't really change it. There is one way you can change it. If you go to the official Roblox account location help forum here, you can see how is my location determined. Like I said, it was an IP address, right? If you are using a VPN connection, the accuracy of your location might be affected. But if you want to change it officially, you need to click on this link, support forum here, support forum. So go to support roblox.com/support. You'll have to enter in your per year here. So for example, mine is around this year. And then I'm going to scroll down. I'm just going to tap on this one. I'm going to tap on, wait, hold on. Let me make it a little bit older. Now I'm just going to tap on continue. Now, after you're here, that's it. You're done. You just need to submit your form and officially ask to actually change your account location. That is the hard way you have to do this.